Thanks for checking out your Monday morning edition of your daily forecast. I'm meteorologist Mike Witcher. We have a lot to talk about, so give me some time because the active weather pattern is starting up, and that process is today. So it's a chilly start, but it's going to be a warm and windy day. A few showers possible, but not likely to see a whole lot throughout the day. The heaviest rain comes through tonight and into the first part of our Tuesday. High wind warning and wind advisories in place across town with cooling temperatures as we head into Thanksgiving Day. We've got much more in that 3-day forecast in just a bit as well, but getting everybody off to work and school this morning, we start off in the 30s and 40s. We'll climb into the low 60s through the lunch hour with forecast highs in the upper 60s. Wind advisory and high wind warnings, as I mentioned. So we have a high wind warning for the mountains of East Tennessee. Winds could be gusting to 70 miles per hour across the western valley, the plateau, and further to the west along Interstate 40. If you have travel plans there, winds are going to be anywhere from 15 to 25 miles per hour, gusting to about 45. And again, the strongest winds are going to come through as we head into the evening hours and then overnight tonight. That's at about 2 o'clock in the morning. So anytime after midnight is when the winds will really start to kick up. And that's when the heaviest rain is set to arrive as well. As I mentioned, a couple of stray showers throughout the first part of our day, not expected a whole lot. We should stay mostly dry throughout the afternoon under partly cloudy to mostly cloudy skies, just generally speaking. We're going to stay on the drier side. But after we go to bed tonight, here comes the rain. The rain's going to start to set up shop and roll our way. Again, a southerly flow to the atmosphere. That means warmer temperatures as high temps climb into the mid to upper 60s. This evening should be nice, quiet, and dry. It's going to start to become a little bit breezier. We'll be in the mid 60s for the evening rush hour. Dinner time right around 60 and bedtime down to about 58 degrees. And here comes the rain. The rain's going to set up shop as we head into the bedtime hours and overnight tonight. That's when the wind really starts to crank up. Area of low pressure, cold front and warm front starts to work its way through the area. And that's what's going to bring us some very soggy conditions to get started early tomorrow morning. Through the day tomorrow, those showers will continue to wind on down through the first part of our day. But because of the wind and the clouds and the rain, temperatures will be nice and mild as we get started on our Tuesday. And then the rain starts to kick off out of here by, I'll say around noon or so as we go through the day on Tuesday. That's lunchtime, so still hanging on to some showers across upper East Tennessee, clearing back off to our west. So Tuesday afternoon will be a much better travel day, at least if you're traveling north, west, or southwest. Something to kind of keep in mind. But we're talking about some good solid soaking rains. Generally speaking, we're talking about 3/4 to 1.5 inches of rainfall out of the storm system as it swings through tonight. Tuesday, high temperatures, a little bit cooler, but still slightly above average. We'll be in the mid 60s. And those temps continue to come down into the low to upper 50s for our Wednesday. Busy travel day that day. And also on Thanksgiving Day. All right. If that's all you need to know, thanks for sticking around. It was a longer edition for sure. But if you have travel plans, let's continue the forecast. We'll take you to the regional picture and show you what it looks like as that low pressure tracks its way out of the south. A lot of us are going to be traveling. And so if you are traveling throughout the day today, further to our west, we're going to be tracking in the showers and thunderstorms. Hold off tomorrow morning if you can and travel after the lunch hour because afternoon, things start to wind down for us. Now, if you are going to be traveling east, we're going to see showers and thunderstorms. You'll be chasing the cold front if you're traveling throughout the day tomorrow. But other than that, we'll see improving conditions through the day on Tuesday and even into Wednesday around much of the region. Look at the wind, though. Remember I said it was going to be tough travel along Interstate 40? Those winds are going to be cranking out of the south and southeast. And again, overnight tonight, any semi-truckers out there, truck drivers anyways, that's going to make for some tough travel along Interstate 40 because the winds are going to be blowing perpendicular to Interstate 40. Very heavy rainfall around much of the region as well, but beneficial rain as, of course, we've continued to be in the drought. All right, that was a very long edition, but we've got a lot going on. Thanks for checking out your morning edition to your daily forecast update.